As you can see, these kids are not starting it. I have sent this kid multiple messages of telling him to start it. His name is Paradise, as you can see. I'm telling him to start because the match was supposed to be at 15. He's not starting it. I'm literally waiting here in this lobby, so bored. Probably the most annoying thing I've ever have to do. I've ever have to do. Fuck, I can't even speak, dude. Oh well. Doesn't really matter. Well, yeah. Still not starting it, so I'm just gonna keep going until my phone just stops recording. Because these kids are still not gonna start it, so. As you can see, it's 35 already, and the match was supposed to be started at 15. So it's literally been like, let's say, how many minutes? 20 minutes? And this isn't even the match, this is Detroit. So, these kids are really annoying. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure we're just gonna have to dispute this. So, as you can see, admins, please look at their dispute percentage. These kids dispute all the time, probably because they're always late. And, thank you for your day. So, as you can see, right here are the rules. It is emoji variant at 15. And as you can see, it is 36. So we've waited enough and they forfeited. GG. Thank you.